is going on? What?
No, my dear!
Hey. You. Yes, you. I am afraid you stole a legal copy of DVD of the amazing digital circus. That is not good for pirating. Also, that will lead you to 10 to 15 years in jail time. Please report this to the authorities for your own safety. That's all.
This is our new hangout spot. I can't wait for all the adventures we're gonna have here. Come, wait till you guys see what's inside.
It looks like you have an illegal copy of SMG4.
No! don't think you can do that.
Mamma mia.
No,
You should be ashamed of yourself. SMG4 himself hates criminals, and he definitely doesn't like people who pirate his work.
Bro, what the hell is wrong with you? Pirating SMG4? You're an absolute dumbass. Get some help. LOL.
I hope you've listened carefully to what we just said, and that you really understand it. Piracy is a serious crime, and comes with real consequences. Illegally copying SMG4 content doesn't just break the law. It disrespects the hard work of SMG4, the series, and Glitch Productions, the company who work hard to make it. There is nothing you can do to avoid this. It's time for you to face the consequences. You will now see SMG4 in his room. He is waiting for you, and he is not happy. Goodbye, criminal.
So, you came, a criminal, right here in my room. And you really thought you could get away with pirating my work. I hate piracy. Taking what isn't yours. It shows disrespect. Disrespect to me, to the series, and to everyone who work hard at Glitch Productions to make this world. You thought no one would notice? Well, you're wrong. Every stolen video, every illegal copy, it all counts. And now, you will face the consequences. There is no escape. There is no way back. You're done. Goodbye, criminal.
Upgrading models, cutting maintenance costs. There are many reasons a client may wish to disassemble a drone individual or series after a period of use.
blood. It's purple.
Right! You can't silence me, black blood!
All Jack needed to do was answer correctly, and Papa...
Can it?
I was just thinking, Spark, I could fix her, get her working again. Cause if I do, maybe I can get an engineering job like Andy's in the labs, and I could careful, fall.
Hey! Tuber goobers! Back off!
Stay out of this, girl.
The music dies and we come undone when all the liquor dries. I find myself alone.
Letters are trying to spell something.
Oh, no, wait! We're too late.
Can't we beefed it? Time to go!